afraid of just myself. If this fool couldn't bluff his way out of the...
Now, you see, Helen, Acri here is a silly boy.
And Proetus isn't a boy at all, but a chimpanzee that a man shaves a face into every day. Now, that's very useful.
You can't punch, my sweet. It's sad, really. Oh, my, our friend.
Hello.
I bet you can punch. Do me and the lady a favor here, would you? And thrash this impudent wretch.
Thrash! No man alive can thrash me.
What was your name, sir?
Arthur.
Arthur could. Easily.
You, maybe, but not me.
I know. Punch us both. As hard as you can. You'll break his glass jaw, and I'll be left standing. The knight and the knave.
Good idea. Hit me, then. Dear boy, give the feeble fellow a little tap and watch him crumble. Come on.
You really walloped him.
Right, yikes! I'm fine.
Come on!
Ooh, look there! I got a proper chin. Not like that toe rag.
Good Lord above. Doesn't hurt.
Oh. Hey,
Hit me again. Right here.
Right here. Oh!
Weren't you taught never to hit girls? Punch a man for once. Give me your worst. Here I stand.
I think he's done for.
Barely even felt it.
There's only one thing for it, then. Hit me in the manhood. Don't worry, sir. Mine are made of steel. Real steel.
They've come out his ears. My turn. Come on, right there.
Enough, gentlemen?
Yes, I think so. I slipped, and I hope you killed the leprechaun.
And he's still alive? Shoot him, please, one of you.
There, up you get. We need to get some steak on those wounds.
Madam, gentlemen, good luck to you.
Whatever. Let's get you back. Please, can you let us alone? Silly boys.
I'm fine, really. It's that wretch who needs the rest.
I've never been better. Truly, I could ride to Strawberry in the state I'm in.
Both of you are going to bed, and that's the end of it.
A bath. Maybe that's what I need. Would you bathe me, sweet Helen?
Do you hear that wretch? That lascivious monster? If you're bathing anyone, you're bathing me. And you can be assured of my chivalry, fair girl.
Chivalrous. Don't listen to him, my lady. He's a libidinous goat. You can be assured of it.
You can bathe each other as soon as I treat those wounds. Really, I thought you were better than that.
Something's come over me. I'm feeling rather lightheaded.
Oh, perhaps you'll die of your wounds, and then we'll all be spared the sight of you.
You don't look so well either. Let's get you both into your beds, and we'll see how you are in the morning.